Well, I'm sitting here at Ore Auto Mall. I've got a 2012 Ram 3500 diesel 4x4 with pretty low miles. Just had a service done on it, and I want to show you guys how to reset the oil change message. So I'm going to turn the key to the on position. And as I'm setting here, see now it pops up an oil change is due. So I'm going to push the gas pedal in 3 times, and then turn it back off. And we'll turn it back on, and when we do, should show up one message that says perform maintenance. See if that pops up, and they both may clear on me. Yeah, perform service, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. But you can see the now message is showing one message, so my oil change time period is now reset. I hope this has been a good video for you. Thank you for your time. Have a very blessed day. Don't forget to check out Chris Walker at Walker Drives Your Friend in the Car Business on Facebook. You can text me or give me a call at 479-747-0584 for any of your car needs. Again, Chris Walker, Russellville, Arkansas, 479-747-0584. Thank you and have a blessed day.